your social media feed is lying to you about the state of your bathroom glass. It shows a hand gliding a cloth across a cloudy shower door and leaving behind a trail of pure, transparent perfection. This is the big promise behind the viral cleaning cloth that everyone seems to be talking about lately. The claims are bold and fast. They tell you that you can have a crystal clear shower in less than 60 seconds. No sprays, no harsh chemicals, no endless scrubbing on your hands and knees. It sounds like a dream for anyone who hates cleaning. But we need to pull back the curtain on how this actually functions in the real world. At its core, this product is a high-grade microfiber cloth designed for maximum water absorption. That is the entire secret. There is no hidden technology or magical coating involved here. It relies on the simple physics of evaporation and mineral deposits. When you leave water on your shower glass, it eventually dries. As the water disappears into the air, it leaves behind everything that was dissolved inside it. This includes calcium, magnesium, and soap residue. That is how those stubborn white spots are born. By using a highly absorbent cloth to wipe the glass immediately after you turn off the water, you are removing the source of the problem before it can settle. In that specific context, the product is completely legitimate. It works exactly like a squeegee, but with more surface area and better absorption. However, the marketing takes this simple truth and inflates it into something unrealistic. The ad suggests that this cloth can replace your entire cleaning cabinet. They imply that it deep cleans, disinfects, and removes years of grime in a single pass. That is where the hype turns into a bit of a trap. A microfiber cloth cannot kill bacteria. It cannot dissolve thick layers of soap scum that have been building up for months. It is a maintenance tool, not a restoration tool. If your shower is already a mess, this cloth will not save you. You still need your heavy-duty cleaners and your brushes for the tough jobs. Then there is the issue of company transparency. The branding leans heavily into a specific friendly animal theme that suggests an Australian origin. Yet, if you dig into the business filings, you find a web of overseas operations that feel a bit disconnected from that image. This kind of branding can be a way to justify a much higher price tag. You are paying a premium for the brand and the clever social media ads. You could go to a local hardware store and buy a high-density drying towel for a fraction of the cost. It would likely perform the exact same way on your shower glass. So, is it a scam in the traditional sense? No, because you do receive a physical product that performs its basic function of drying surfaces. But is it misleading? Absolutely. The gap between the 60-second miracle in the video and the reality of daily bathroom chores is quite large. If you want a tool that makes it easier to keep a clean shower looking clean, this might be a great purchase for you. It beats using a rubber squeegee that leaves streaks or makes a loud screeching noise against the glass. It is soft, it is fast, and it does the job of drying. Just make sure you keep your expectations grounded in reality. Do not throw away your disinfectant just yet. Real cleanliness still requires a bit of elbow grease and the right chemicals every once in a while. The cloth is just a shortcut for the daily upkeep. It is a shiny solution for a common problem, but it is not the miracle the internet wants you to believe it is.